Good morning. It's time for Foundations. Today we're going to start with this video and it's going to practice your sounds with you. Here you go. Alrighty, awesome job practicing your sounds. Alright, I'm thinking of a letter and I need your help to figure out what letter I'm thinking of. It goes on a yellow card, which we know means it's a consonant. But the special thing about this letter is that it's not by itself on this card. It has what we like to call a buddy or even a best friend. Do you know what letter I'm talking about? If you said QU, you're right. We know that the letters Q and U are best friends. Without the U, the Q can't say its name. So when I see Q and U together, I say QUA. These are best friends or buddy letters. Make sure you remember that because today we're going to talk about something called a digraph. And a digraph is also on a yellow card because it is a consonant, but it has two letters on it. Q and U are not a digraph, and that's what we're going to work really hard on remembering. Q and U are best friends, not digraphs. Today we're going to talk about digraphs. They are on a yellow card, like I said, and if you look down here, you see two letters, W and H. When I put two consonants together, they can sometimes become digraphs, where they say one sound. Because they're on one card, they're also going to get one tap. This is one of our digraphs we're going to learn. We're going to learn quite a few today. This one is going to say WH, whistle, W. WH, whistle, W. Your turn. Say it with me. WH, whistle, W. Even though there's two letters, my digraphs get one tap. So my picture, my keyword is whistle. If I wanted to tap that, I would tap one sound from my W at the beginning. W, I, O, whistle. All right, here's our next one we're going to learn. CH. I'm going to say C-H, chin, ch. C-H, chin, ch. So just like our digraph WH, CH is only going to get one tap. So if I tap the word, I would tap ch, I, n, chin. And this is called a digraph. So say it with me. Say your digraph with me. C-H, chin, ch. Now we're going to do S-H, ship, sh. S-H, ship, sh. This is our next digraph. Again, digraphs only get one tap. So if I tapped my keyword ship, it would go sh, I, p, ship. Say the whole thing with me. S-H, ship, sh. Oh man, this one's a fun one. This one is T-H, thumb. And I want you to look very carefully at my mouth because when I say, my tongue goes underneath my teeth and a little bit out. Very good. This one is T-H, thumb. And just like all my other digraphs, it gets one tap. So if I tapped out my keyword, it would say, thumb. Now you say it with me. T-H, thumb. And this one's a little bit different. This is C-K, sock. One more time. C-K, sock. The special thing about this digraph is that CK can only go at the end of a word. So if I said sock, you hear CK at the very end, just like in pack or it's at the very end. So this digraph can only go at the end of words. If I tapped out sock, my CK still only gets one tap. So, sock. Okay, your turn. Say the whole thing with me. CK, sock. Very good. All right, so we're going to practice tapping. I have lots of numbers up here on the screen. But all it's saying is that my digraph, like in SH, ship, gets one tap. So we're going to tap. Okay, so let's find the digraph in these words. Ch, I, p, chip. What's my digraph? CH. Very good. This word, d, thud. What's my digraph? TH. Last word, sh, p, shop. What's my digraph? SH. Very good. I'm going to underline the digraph, and that's how we mark these words. So whenever Mrs. Berry, Miss Mason, or Mrs. Santoya asks you to mark up a word, if you see a digraph, we're going to underline it. So I just do one line underneath my CH because that's my digraph. Sh, I. My next one, I'm going to underline TH because that's my digraph. D, thud. My last word to mark that word up, I'm going to underline my digraph. Sh, p, shop. SH is my digraph, so I underline it. Okay, so now we have our trick words. Remember, trick words are words that can't be tapped out. We can't sound them out. We just have to know them because they're super duper tricky. So the trick words we're going to do this week: as, has. And these words are a lot alike. They both have as in them. But my second word, has, I see that H at the beginning, so I know it's going to be has. Let's do some sentences. Meg is as tall as I am. I'm going to circle some words. As soon as you know what words I circle, I want you to yell them out. All right, yell them out. What did I circle? You should have said as, and I actually circled it twice. There's two in that sentence. Meg is as tall as I am. Very good. Let's do another sentence. Tom has 5 pennies. I'm going to circle a word. Yell it out when you know what it is. You should have yelled has. Tom has 5 pennies. Good job. All right, that's the end of your lesson for today.